In order to scan a document on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you can open the camera. In the photo mode, you can simply point at your document that you want to scan and use the scan button that we have in here. Wait a couple of seconds, then the scan should be ready. In case it is wrong or something, if you didn't do that correctly, you can of course go back and try to use the scan button again. Usually if you see these corners, outlines, this is the indicator that you can correctly find the pages, or the phone can find the pages. So you can cut all the necessary, you can keep all the necessary part only. And besides that, of course, we can add another scan in case you have more pages that you wish to scan. You can also just save it if that's all that you have to do. We can tap on these three dots in order to save as a PDF file. And then here we also have additional options like, for example, filter and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. By the way, if the scanner does not appear in the camera, tap on four dots on the right side in this place and go to the camera settings. Then choose scanning, and you should be able to find the document scan option, so of course make sure that it is enabled. In here you can also find additional options like, for example, the resolution of the scan. Leave a like and subscribe.